coordinate geometry fun work book. Now see that the first bit nana, the points A, B, C, D are the vertices of A. So you know that already, distance formula. So what is the distance formula na? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. Now by using these distance formula, now you can find out here, you know that A, B, C, D, 4 vertices are given. Now first of all, you can find out the AB. You can find out the AB. Here the first point is 0 comma minus 2. The second point is 3 comma 1. So now here I can write that is equal to, so here x2 minus x1. So here I can write 3 minus 0 at 3. 3 square means here I can write nana, that is 9. Now 1 minus 2 means 3, again 9. So that is equal to root 18. Now BC is equal to root over. Once you see that BC, see 0 minus 3 and minus 3 whole square 9 plus, now 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 means 3 square 9. So that is equal to, again here root 18. Now CD. Okay, now once you check that CD. Okay, here see minus 3 minus 0 and minus 3 whole square 9 plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 whole square 9. So that is equal to root 18. Next AD. See here minus 3 minus 0. So minus 3 whole square 9 plus, here next 1 is there, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, 3 square 9. So that is equal, here also we can get the root 18. So here what we get, 4 sides are equal. Okay, now you can check it to the diagonals. That is AC. So AC is equal to, now check it AC is equal to AC. So here it is 0, here it is 0. 0 minus 0, 0 and 0 plus, next 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 means 4 plus 2, 6 square means 36. So that is equal to root 36, that is equal to 6. Now BD. Now I can take that BD. So this is B, this is D. So here minus 3 minus 3. So minus 3 means 6. 6 is minus 6. Minus 6 whole square means 36 plus. Now the next one, it is the minus 1, here it is the 1. Sorry, here it is 1, here it is the 1. 1 minus 1, 0 and 0. That is equal to root 36, that is equal to 6. So what we for conclusion, all sides are equal. Sides equal and also diagonals are equal. Sides equal, diagonals are equal. So what is the answer? So that is it is a square. It is a square. So your option is first one, C. Second bit, y-axis divides the joining. See, suppose here I can given that P and Q, 2 points are there, minus 4 comma 2, and here the point Q is what, 8 comma 3. Now I can divide this line segment with the y-axis, in the ratio. Suppose you know that on the y-axis a point as like as 0 comma b. A point as like as 0 comma b. Okay, Nana? So here we can find out the ratio. How we can find the y-axis divides the line segment in the ratio minus x1 is to x2. This is the answer. Minus x1 is to x2. Here this is minus x1. What is here x1? Yeah, it is the x1. Minus 4 is the x1. So minus 4 is to x2. x2 is what here? 8. 8 is the x2. So what we get? 4 is to 8. So that is equal to 1 is to 2. So here the answer is option D. Now see the third bit. X-axis divides the line joining A 2 comma minus 3 and B 5 comma 6 in the ratio. Here you can divide that which point, Nana? Which one? Here x-axis. So x-axis divides in the which ratio? Minus y1 is to y2. Keep it in your mind. X-axis divides the line segment in the ratio minus y1 is to y2. Here what is the y1? So this is the y1 and this is the y2. So we can get minus of minus 3 is to 6. So that is equal to 3 is to 6. So that is equal to, you can simplify it. We can get 1 is to 2. So here the result is what? D. So here the result is what? D. Now see that fourth question. The point P 1 comma 2 divides the join of AB. Suppose you can take A, that is minus 2 comma 1. Now you can take B 7 comma 4. Here this is A, this is B. Now here I can take a point P. That point P is what here given, that 1 comma 2. Now he asked for the ratio m1 is to m2. Here a shortcut is there. Now once you see here the x code, the difference of the x, see Nana, the difference of the x's to here A and B, and again you can take the difference of this one as like this. Suppose see Nana, that is here it is what, minus 2 minus here what is what, 1. Now here what you get, 1, this is 1 and this is 7, 1 minus 7. So here we can get the answer minus 3, this is minus 6. So this is the ratio. So that is equal to 3 is to 6, that is equal to 1 is to 2. I hope all are understood this one. Okay Nana? So here option is what Nana? D for Delhi. Now see that fifth question. Fifth bit Nana. What point on x-axis? So suppose this is the x-axis. What point on the x-axis? Okay Nana, equidistant from A and B. So here suppose here I can take a point P, means it is equidistant from A and equidistant and B. So what is condition Nana? PA is equal to PB. Means the distance between PA and the distance between PB is equal. Suppose squaring on both sides, we can get PA square is equal to PB square. You know distance formula, root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. As like you can do it. Suppose here A point is what Nana? 7 comma 6. Here P point on the axis, here I can take the point as like as A comma 0. Suppose now what is the distance between these 2 points? Here square is there, that's why no need to write the root. Okay, directly you can write it. Here x2 minus x1 means here I can write A minus 7 x2 minus x1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and 0 minus 6 whole square is equal to PB square. Here I can take B point is what? Minus 3 comma 4. Means x2 minus x1 here A, here it is minus 3, means A plus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4 whole square. Now you can simplify this one. A minus 7 whole square, A square minus 14A plus 49. Here minus 6 whole square, 36. A plus 3 whole square, A square plus 6A plus 9. Here 0 minus 4 and 4. 4 minus 4 whole square, minus 4 whole square means 16. Now you can simplify this one. Here A square gets cancelled. Both sides equal terms are cancelled. Now minus 14A. 49 plus 36 is 85. Here 6K plus 25. Now here 6A taken to this side. So here minus 14A minus 6A is equal to 25 minus 85. Now we can get minus 20A is equal to 60. Now A minus 60. Now A is equal to minus 60 by minus 20, that is equal to 3. So and A is equal to 3. We can get A is equal to 3. So here the P point is what Nana? A comma 0. Here the P point is A comma 0. Therefore P is equal to 3 comma 0. So the option is C. So we can get the answer is C. Okay Nana? Now sixth bit. The distance of the point 4 comma minus 3 from the origin 0 comma 0. So here origin means what? 0. Here only asked that the distance root over x2 minus x1. So here x2 minus x1 means, suppose see here I can say 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 minus 4 plus again 0 minus 3 means minus 3 and x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what we get? 16 plus 9, that is equal to root 25. So that is equal to 5. So here the answer is what Nana? C units. Here answer is C units. Sorry, 5 units. Now seventh bit. The distance between the points. Say what are the points? 2 comma minus 3 and the another point is 2 comma 2. So here distance, so that is equal to root over as like x2 minus x1 and here 2 minus 2, here 2 minus 2, that is 0 and 0 square means 0 plus again here see 2 minus minus 3, 2 minus minus 3 means 2 plus 3 and 5 square. So that is equal to root 0 plus 25. So that equal to root 25. So that is equal to, here also the answer is what Nana? C is the answer. So 5 units is the answer. Okay Nana? Now 8th question, find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formula, area is equal to of this one, or you know that this one. Okay na? So you know this formula. So here is given the 3 point x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now all these points substitute in this equation, then we can get the result. So here half x1, here x1 is what, 1 into y2 is here 3 minus y3 is minus 4 plus x2 is what, minus 2 into y3 is minus 4 minus y1 is what here, 2 plus x3 is what, minus 3 into y1 is what, 2 minus y2 is what, 3. Now suppose here any two signs are there, now you can convert into single sign, 1 into 3, here minus into minus plus, so 3 plus 4, here plus into minus, minus 2 into, here minus 4 minus 2, here again plus to minus, two signs are there, now we convert here plus into minus, minus, okay, 3 and 2 minus 3. Now you can simplify it, that is equal to half into 1 into 7 minus 2 into minus 6 minus 3 into, here 2 minus 3 minus 1. So we can get half into 7, here minus 2 into minus 6, that is plus 12, and minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. So we can get half into here 12 plus 7 19 plus 3 22. Then here we can get 2 ones are 2, 11 are, so 11 square units. So here option is what, A is the answer. Okay, now see, A 11 square units, A is the answer. Now see that ninth bit, for what value of the y are the points are the collinear. So this is the diagram. Suppose collinear means what, the 3 points lie on the same line. So if any of the 3 points are the collinear, then slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. You know slope formula. What is the slope formula? You know that y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope formula. So by using this formula, now here we can find out the slope of first 2 points. Slope of A, B, C. So y2 minus y1 means y minus 4 by x2 minus x1 into 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to, now for these 2 points you can find out the slope, that is 16 minus y by minus 3 minus 3. So you can simplify this one, y minus 4 by 2 is equal to 16 minus y by minus 6. Now do cross multiplication. So what we get, minus 6 into y minus 4 means minus 6y plus 6 4s are 24 is equal to, now 2 into 16 minus y, into 16s are 32 minus 2y. Now minus 2y taken to left side, so minus 6y plus 2y is equal to 32. Now 24 taken to left side, right side, minus 24. So what we get here, minus 4y is equal to, here we can get what, 32 minus 24, 12 4 8. So here we can get the 8. Then y is equal to 8 by minus 4. Then we can get minus 2. So here the y value is what, minus 2. So option D is the right answer. Okay, Nana? Now 10th bit, the coordinates of centroid of triangle ABC. He asked that what, centroid. So here A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. Now he asked that the centroid. What is the centroid formula? X1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So therefore centroid is equal to, here see, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Here x1 is what, minus 1, here plus 5, here plus 8. So minus 1 plus 5 plus 8 by 3. Now y1 plus y2 plus y, see here 0 minus 2 plus 2. 0 minus 2 plus 2 by 3. So what we get, Nana? Minus 1 plus 5 anta, plus 4 plus 4 8 12 అంటే 12 by 3 comma, here minus 2 plus 2 we can get 0, so 0 by 3. So what we get here, 3 4s are 12 and 4 comma 0 is the right answer. So here D, option D is the right answer. I hope all are understood, Nana. Now see that 11th bit, two vertices of a triangle ABC, A minus 1 comma 4, B 5 comma 2. We don't know the third vertex, that's where I can take in third vertex is x3 y3. Now what is the first vertex here? X1 y1, here B is what, x2 y2, and also given that the centroid 0 comma minus 3, 0 comma minus 3. Now what is the coordinates of the C? Now you know the centroid formula, G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3b. All these values substituted here. Here we know the G. What is G? That is 0 comma minus 3. Therefore 0 comma minus 3 is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 అంటే -1 plus 5. See -1 plus 5, we don't know the x3 by 3 comma y1 4 here y2 2 అంటే 4 plus 2 plus y3 by 3. So 0 comma -3 is equal to here -1 plus 5 4 అంటే 4 plus x3 by 3 ఓకేనా comma here 4 plus 2 6 plus y3 by 3. Now equating these first points, here what are that equation first points? 4 plus x3 by 3 is equal to 0. Now we can get 4 plus x3 is equal to here by 3 taken to right side into 3 and 0 into 3 0. Here what we get from this equation? X3 is equal to here plus 4 taken to right side -4. So we can get x3 is equal to -4. Now we can equating these two vertices, second vertices, that is these two vertices. Okay na? So what we get now? It is 6 plus y3 by 3 is equal to -3. Now 6 plus y3 is equal to here by 3 taken this side into 3 and -3 into 3 -9. So from this one y3 is equal to -9 here plus 6 taken to right side -6 and y3 is equal to -15. So what is x3? X3 is -4, y3 is -15. So what is the answer? -4 comma -15. C is the right answer. I hope all are understood Nana this one. Okay Nana? Right. Now the 12th bit. If the origin is the midpoint of the line joining by the points 2 comma 3 and x comma y, and here the midpoint of these 2 points is the origin. You know the origin 0 comma 0. Now the midpoint of these both we can get 0 comma 0. Okay na? So the midpoint formula, you know that midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So you know midpoint, that is what? 0 comma 0 is equal to x1 plus x2. Here x1 is what? 2. Here x1 is what? x2 is what? X. అంటే 2 plus x by 2 comma here y1 3 here y2 y అంటే 3 plus y by 2. Now equating these first terms, first coordinates. So what we get? 2 plus x by 2 is equal to 0. Okay Nana? Now 2 plus x is equal to here by 2 taken right side into 2 0 into 2 0 and x is equal to -2. Similarly you can equating these two. So that is 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 0. So 3 plus y is equal to 2 into 0 0 and y is equal to -3. So what is xy? That is -2 comma -3. Where is the answer? Option D is the right answer. -2 comma -3 is the right answer. Okay Nana? Once you see that 13th bit Nana, the fourth vertex of the rectangle. Suppose here we know the 3 vertices. These 3 vertices we know, but you don't know the fourth vertex. How you can find the fourth vertex? By using the formula Nana. x4 is equal to, see here the except that x4, see suppose we know that this opposite these two, we know that the opposite these two, we know that. Now we can add this both. Now we can add the x coordinates is first add, then after we know this one, then after you can do the subtraction, means x1 plus x3 minus x2, x1 plus x3 minus x2. Okay Nana? Now similarly y4 is equal to same y1 plus y3 minus y2, y1 plus y3 minus y2. You know the vertices here given that 4 comma 1. Okay na? Next here they given that the second vertex also, that is 7 comma 4. The next one is 13 comma -2. Now we can find out the third one, fourth vertex. So here x4 is equal to x1 plus x3. So here 4, here it is 13, and 4 plus 13 minus 7, that is equal to 4 plus 13 and 21 minus 4 plus 13 17 minus 7, that is equal to 10. Now y4 is equal to y1 plus y3, 1, here it is -2 and 1 -2 minus y2, y2 is here what? y2 is 4. So that is equal to 1 minus 6, that is equal to -5. So the fourth vertex is 10 comma -5. What is the option now? Option A is the right answer. Okay Nana? Now see that 14th bit. if the distance between the points 8 comma p and 4 comma 3 is 5. So here the distance between the 2 points is 5, then value of the p. You know how to find out the distance, yes or no? So now the distance is 5. So first you can find out the distance, that is 4 minus 8 root over 4 minus 8 whole square and x2 minus x1 whole square plus again y2 minus y1 whole square and 3 minus p whole square is equal to 5. So here the distance is what, Nana? 5. So squaring on both sides, what we get here? Here see 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 whole square and 16. So we here get 16 plus 3 minus p whole square root is equal to 5. Squaring on both sides, what we get? 16 plus 3 minus p whole square is equal to 25. Squaring on both sides, here we can square left hand side, root cancel. Here you can square the right hand side, 5 square 25. So plus 16 taken to right hand side. What we get, Nana? 3 minus p whole square is equal to 25 minus 16. So 3 minus p whole square is equal to 9. Now here square taken to right hand side. Now what we get? 3 minus p is equal to root 9. So therefore we can get 3 minus p is equal to plus 3 or minus 3. So first you can do with plus 3. So 3 minus p is equal to plus 3. Then 3 minus p is equal to plus 3. Wait, no. So now we can get 3 minus p is equal to plus 3. Then minus p is equal to plus 3 minus 3. Then minus p is equal to 0, therefore p is equal to 0. Now we can do with minus 3. 3 minus p is equal to minus 3. Minus p is equal to plus 3 taken to right hand side, minus 3. So minus p is equal to minus 6 and p is equal to 6. Here what we get? P is equal to 0, p is equal to 6. So therefore here option is C. Both A and B. Option is C. Okay, Nana? Now see that 15th question. Point on x-axis has coordinates. X-axis, a point on the x-axis. Once you take any point on the x-axis, okay, y value is 0. That's why here simply we know here we can take a comma 0, y is 0. That's why a is the right answer. Similarly, a point on the y-axis. A point on the y-axis is like as 0 comma b. X coordinate is 0. So here we can simply, the answer is what, Nana? C. Now see that 17th question. The end points of the diameter of a circle. You know that this is the circle. Suppose this is the center of the circle. Now this is the diameter. Okay. The end points of the diameter is given that 2 comma 4 and minus 3 comma minus 1. Now what is the radius of the circle? First you can find out the diameter. So diameter means what? The distance between these 2 points. You know the distance formula, that is root over x2 minus x1. See, x2 minus x1. See, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 whole square means 25. Plus I can write the directly, Nana. ఇంకా చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం చేసాం కాబట్టి ఇంకా డైరెక్ట్ రాయాలి. Here y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 4 and minus 5 again 25. So what we get? Root 50. Here root 50 I can be written as, you know, prime factorization of the 50. 50 కి prime factorization తెలుసుగా, 2 25s are again 5 5s are. So root 50 you can be written as root over 2 into 5 into 5. Among these 5 into 5 we can take 1 5 outside. So we can get 5 into root 2. So 5 into root 2 is what, Nana? Diameter. But he asked that the radius. Radius means what? 5 root 2 by 2. This is the radius. So here only distance. Distance is always in the plus. Okay, na? That's why you can take only plus. Only plus. So option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Now 18th bit. AOBC is a rectangle whose 3 vertices are given 0 comma 3, 0 comma 0, 5 comma 0. Here I don't know the C, but he asked in the question is what, Nana? Length of diagonal. So here we know that here AB is called the length of the diagonal. So we can find out the distance between these 2 points. What is the distance between which points, Nana? 0 comma 3, 5 comma 0. So therefore distance formula root over, now 5 minus 0, 5 square 25 plus, now 0 minus 3 and minus 3 whole square means 9. So that is equal to 34. And here we can get the root 34 units. So here the option is what, Nana? C. Option C is the right answer. Okay, Nana? So once you see the 19th question, the perimeter of the triangle with the vertices 0, 4, 0, 0 and 3, 0. So here 0, 0 means what? An origin. So this is 0, 0. Now the next point here 0, 4 on the y-axis. On the y-axis 0, 4. Now here 3, 0 on the x-axis. 3, 0 on the x-axis. Now we can join these two. Now we can get here what is known as triangle. Now he asked that perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle means sum of all sides. Perimeter intended sum of all sides. So what is the length of the sides? Here what is the length of this one? The length of this one is 3 units. Here the length of this one is 3 units. Now what about the length of this one? Here this is what? 4 units. Now what is the length of this one? So you can find out the distance between these two. Now you can find out the distance between these two. Here 3, here it is 0. At 3 minus 0, 3 square 9 plus here again 0 4 ante 0 minus 4 ante 4 minus 4 whole square 16. So here it is what? Root 25. So that is equal to 5. So sum of all sides means 3 plus 4 plus 5. So that is equal to 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12. So 12 units. See, option B is the right answer. So option B is the right answer. Okay, Nana? Now we are going to discuss about the question number 20. If the point P 2, 1 lies on the line segment joining A 4, 2, B 8, 4. Suppose here I can take the line segment that is A, B. Okay, Nana? Suppose this is A, B. A point is what? 4, 2. B point is what? 8, 4. See, Nana, here x coordinate is what? 4. Here x coordinate is what? 8. But the given P point is what, Nana? 2, 1. 2, 1. Here 2. Yes or no? So means it lies outside, not the between AB. Here P point is lies outside. Suppose here I can take the point P. That is 2, 1. Now here he given that in the find out the distance between PA. Find out the distance between PA. Square root of. So here x2 minus x1. 4 minus 2. 2 square 4 plus y2 minus y1. 2 minus 1 square 1. So that is equal to PA is equal to root 5. Now you can find out that AB. AB is equal to root. Okay, na? See, AB 8 minus 4 square 16 plus now next y2 minus y1 4 minus 2 square 4 that is equal to root 20. Root 20 can be written as root 4 into 5. You know that root 4 value 2. So 2 root 5. Now PA is equal to root 5. PA is equal to 1 root 5. AB is equal to 2 root 5. So AB is double the PA, or otherwise PA is half of AB. Therefore we can say that PA is equal to half of AB. So where it is? PA is equal to half of AB. Yes, PA is equal to half of AB. Therefore here the right answer is D. I hope all are understood this one. Now we are going to discuss about that 21st bit, Nana. The point which divides the line segment joining 7, minus 6, 3, 4 in the ratio 1:2. Okay, internally. So P point is lies inside the line segment. So now the internal division P formula is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. You know m1 1 m2 2. Here x1 y1 7 minus 6 x2 y2 3 4. Now all these values substituted in this equation. That is equal to m1 is 1 x2 is 3 1 into 3 3 plus m2 is what 2 x1 7. So 2 into 7 14 by m1 plus m2 ante 1 plus 2 3. So m1 y2 see m1 1 y2 4 ante 1 into 4 plus m2 y1 m2 2 y1 minus 6 ante 2 into minus 6 minus 12. That's where you can write minus 12 by m1 plus m2 3. So what we get now? See here 3 plus 14 17. Yes or no? 14 plus 3 17. So 17 by 3 comma 4 minus 12 how much? Minus 8 by 3. So here see in the question he asked that the lies in that. Now this point is lies in which quadrant? See here x is positive, here y is negative. So plus comma minus is belongs to Q4 fourth quadrant. So therefore the right answer is D, that is fourth quadrant. That point is lies in that fourth quadrant. Okay Nana? 22 question. The distance of a 5 comma minus 12 from the origin means 0 comma 0. Now you can find out the distance between these both. Distance is equal to root over c nana 0 minus 5 x2 minus x1 0 minus 5 minus 5 whole square 25. You know formula x2 minus x1 whole square, that's why, plus y2 minus y1. See y2 minus y1 0 minus 12 plus 12 whole square means 144. So that is equal to 169. So that is equal to 13. Now the answer is what? 13. So C is the right answer. Okay Nana? Now 23rd bit. If x-axis divides in the ratio, see x-axis divides in the ratio is minus y1 is to y2 formula Nana. Now once you see in this point what is the y1? So here minus 5 is the y1. What is y2? Here in this one the 9 is the y2. 9 is the y2. So what is the answer now? Minus 5 is to 9. So therefore plus 5 is to 9. So 5 is to 9 is the right answer. So C is the right answer. Okay Nana? Now 24th question. Once is the first one A. The distance from 0 0 to x comma y. See 0 comma 0 and x comma y. Now the distance is root over x minus 0 whole square into x square plus y minus 0 y square. So root over x square plus y square. So option 3, the first one. Option A is what Nana? 3. Now see second one. The distance from x axis to the x comma y. Suppose here I can take that this is the y axis and this is the x axis. X axis to y axis. Suppose here I can take one point x comma y. So he given that the distance from the x axis. See from the x axis. See this from the x axis this is the distance. Yes or no? What is the distance of this one? Yes, very good. Now this is what? Y. But suppose this may be x comma y is maybe here or here or here at any quadrant. But that's why you can take in that the distance is always the positive. That's why you can simply take it as the modulus y. Okay, na? Modulus y. So what is the answer of the B? Second one is the B. Now third one, the distance from the y axis to the xy. Suppose here I can take the point same. Here the point is as like as x minus x comma y. From the y axis this is the distance. From the y axis the distance is this one. How much it is the distance Nana? Here what is this distance? Suppose see now this is what? This is x and this is y. So here these both are equal. So here this is also x. So from here to here how much distance is there? X. But in the second quadrant it is minus x. But here we can consider as the positive x. Why? Because of the distance always you can be taken as the positive. That's why simply you can take in that mod x. Therefore this result is what? 1. So the answer is what? 3 2 1. 3 2 1. So option B is the right answer. Now 25th bit Nana, image concept. Suppose first of all here I can take axis. And this is x axis. Now this is y axis. Suppose here I can take one point. How it is Nana? Minus x comma y. Now the image of this minus x comma y, he given that x comma y, that's why you can take the point here, x comma y. First one, the image of x comma y with respect to the x-axis. With respect to the x-axis, the image is here. Yes or no? The image is here. Now, what about this point, Nana? See, x comma y, suppose it is in the q1. Now, this is in that what? q4. In the q4, s plus x minus y. Yes or no? X is positive, but y is negative. Therefore, x plus x minus y is the image of x comma y. So, the first one is second one. Option A is second one is the answer. Now, image of x comma y with respect to y axis. Suppose you can see with the y axis. So, this is the y axis. See, the image of the x comma y with respect to y axis is here. Yes or no? So, now the point is lies in second quadrant. Now, here we can get minus x comma plus y. Yes or no? So, minus x comma plus y. Yes, 1. Now, the image of x comma y with respect to the origin. With respect to the origin means as like this. Now, this is in what? Third quadrant. So, minus x minus y. So, this is the third one. So, what is the answer? 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. Okay, Nana? So, where is that 2, 1, 3? Not there. Option is not there, but you can write the right answer is what, Nana? 2, 1, 3. This is the right answer. Now, 26th question. The centroid of a triangle whose vertices, these three are the vertices, Nana. Okay, but he given that centroid is what? 0, 0. You know the formula, centroid formula. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now this is what? x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So you know that centroid 0, 0. 0, 0 is equal to x1 ante 2 anna plus x plus 3 by 3. Next y1, see 3 y minus 2 ante 3 plus y minus 2 by 3. Now simplify this one. 0, 0 is equal to here 3, 2, 5 kadananna, 5 plus x by 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 plus y by 3. Now equating these two. So what we get, Nana? 5 plus x by 3 is equal to 0. Now then after you can equating these both second coordinates. Now what we get? That is 1 plus y by 3 is equal to 0. Now simplify this one. Okay, by 3 taken to here 3 into 0, 0. And 5 plus x is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5. Here also, Nana, 1 plus y is equal to 3. Then 3 into 0, 0. So y is equal to minus 1. Therefore x comma y is equal to minus 5 comma 1. Okay, Nana, I hope all are understood this one. Okay, now that next one is the 27th question. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of the circle. AB is the diameter of the circle. So suppose you can take this is the diameter AB. So he given that A is what, Nana, and whose center is 2 comma minus 3. Suppose this is the center. This is 2 comma minus 3, and given that B is 1 comma 4. Here B is 1 comma 4. Here first of all you can find out the A. Suppose here you can take in that A is x comma y. You know here center C is equal to midpoint of AB. And C means 2 comma minus 3 is equal to midpoint of AB formula x1 plus x2 by 2 means x plus 1 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 means y plus 4 by 2. Now equating these first elements means x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. X plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Now x is equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Now you can equating these two elements, that is y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. Y plus 4 is equal to, here 2 into minus 3 minus 6, then y is equal to minus 6 plus 4 taken to that side minus 4, then y is equal to minus 10. Therefore what is the here he asked the question, find the coordinates of point A. So what is the A? Therefore A is equal to 3 comma minus 10. Okay Nanna. Now once you see that 28th question, find the distance between the points this one and this one. See, you know 0 comma 3, this is okay. What about this one? So here log 9 base 3, log 1 base 3, you know log 1 value 0. So what about log 9 base 3? See, log 9 base 3 is equal to log 9 can be written as 3 square, 3 square to the base 3, you know 2 log 3 base 3. Here we can use log a power m, m log a, so that is equal to 2 into log 3 base 3 value 1, so that is equal to 2. So here what is this value? That value is what? 2. This value is 2. Log 1 value is what? 0. So this is the point 2 comma 0. Now you can find out the distance between the points 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. So distance is equal to root over x2 minus x1, 0 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0 whole square. So that is equal to root over, here 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 whole square plus 4, 3 minus 0 3 square 9. So that equal to root 13 units. I hope all are understood. Now the 29th question, find the slope of the line joining the points 2a comma 3b and minus 2b comma 3a. So you know that slope can be written as can be denoted by the letter m. What is the formula of the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. See, y2 minus y1, so what we get Nana? 3a minus 3b by x2 minus x1. See, this is x2 minus x1 means minus 2b minus 2a. So this is only the answer. Suppose if you want to do again, here we take common 3. So 3 take common, we can get a minus b. Now here we can take common minus 2. Take common minus 2. Then what we get? B plus a. That's it. This is the answer. I hope all are understood this one. Now the next question. Right. See Nanna, in the 30th question, write the points satisfying the equation x is equal to y. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలి. అయితే టేకింగ్ ద అవుట్కమ్స్ యాజ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ పాయింట్స్ వెన్ ఏ డై ఈజ్ రోల్డ్ ట్వైస్. సపోజ్ ట్వైస్ 2 times డై రోల్ చేస్తే డై ఈజ్ రోల్డ్ ట్వైస్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద పాసిబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్? యు నో ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబబిలిటీ we can get this one. In the probability we can discuss about that 2 dice rolled twice. Okay, see, now we can get the results. One, two, three, four, 5 till another one 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 2 dice are rolled. Then what we get Nana? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Okay, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next 3, 1, 3, 2 as like ఓకేనా, అంటే వెన్ 2 dice ఆర్ రోల్డ్ ట్వైస్ దెన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద శాంపిల్ స్పేస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద శాంపిల్ స్పేస్. మీకు ప్రాబబిలిటీలో వస్తుంది నాన్న ఇది శాంపిల్ స్పేస్. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్లో మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వై అన్నాడు. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వై అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి, రెండు కూడా ఈక్వల్గా రావాలి. అలా రెండు ఈక్వల్గా ఉండేవి ఏమున్నాయి ఇక్కడ, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద పాయింట్. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ నౌ, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. This is the answer. Okay nana. So this is a coordinate geometry fun workbook nana. Please practice thoroughly. Okay, if you have any doubt please check this video. Okay na. Thank you nana, thank you very much.